Alright guys, so this is the BeeBrain LITE, and what I'm displaying here are those new Gemfan props for micros. These are the 1mm shaft here, and I have them on a tiny whoop series or set of motors. I believe these are the Bald Eagles. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and rip this around. They're brand new motors on a BeeBrain LITE, and looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, guys. I really like the way this BeeBrain LITE lights up like a mofo. But here's the footage of what it flies like around my house. Thank you for watching.